Hey guys, today, let's learn how to schedule videos on TikTok mobile. So if you want to learn if it is possible to schedule videos on the TikTok mobile device, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that, and if it is actually possible, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so if you want to learn how to basically do this, and find out if it is actually possible to schedule your videos on TikTok, well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this. So the first step that we actually need to do in order for us to schedule videos on the TikTok device is to, well, actually utilize a third-party application, which is something available on your device as well. So what I want you to do is to go ahead and launch the TikTok application over on the web version. So let's go on over and search for tiktok.com/upload. Alright, so go ahead and do that, and log on to your preferred accounts. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and log on to this specific account right now. So as you see, we can actually go ahead now and enter the Creator Center of TikTok, and well, we are gonna have some problems with accessing this account since of course, it is gonna be a website intended to, or the PC version. So what we need to do, once we're on here as you see, we can actually have the option to schedule a video. So let's go ahead and just keep on reloading this website, and we are gonna have the option to schedule a video right here. So if you are still experiencing some issues, such as this, let's go ahead and dab on this text option, and let's try to request the desktop website, and that should essentially solve your problem guys. So if you are still experiencing some problems, once again, just go ahead and just try to access this specific website over onto your PC devices. So the most of you can do in order for us to access to this is to access it through the PC. Or if you are still experiencing some problems and you really want to use it or use this website on your mobile device, you can actually try to access this website through other browsers. If your Safaris are experiencing some problems, you could also go ahead and try the Chrome website instead of Safari and see if it is gonna work better for you. Let's go ahead and do that one more time. Let's search for tiktok.com/upload. Now, they should take you to the same website, and it's gonna prompt you to log into your account once more. We are gonna go ahead and log in. Proceed with logging in with our preferred account, and this using to go ahead and use this one right here. And once that is done, all we need to do is to wait for this to load, and we need to proceed of course with tapping on the option to upload the scheduled post option, and that was gonna be located right here as you see. We could actually enable this option to schedule a video once we are ready to upload it. So all we need to do is to basically locate this website and proceed with following the on-screen instructions to schedule your videos on the TikTok mobile device. That's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as all of you guys to learn something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.